4 secrets to fit exercise in, even if you suffer from lower back pain. Constantly suffering from lower back pain is difficult. It's understandable why you'd want to avoid aggravating it. In fact, you've probably avoided any kind of exercise at all. Sure, there are some types of exercise that intensify lower back pain. But you'll be happy to know that, with certain exercises, you can actually get your workouts in without sacrificing your back. Leaving exercise out altogether can actually do more harm than good to your back. If you're doing the correct exercises, you might even start to experience relief from your intense pain. Try to fit these 4 exercise ideas into your schedule. Aquatic jogging. If you're suffering from lower back pain, water is your friend. You can always get good resistance exercise through aquatic jogging. And the best part is it's easy on your back. Work with your physiotherapist to design an aquatic jogging schedule. Be sure to include jogs and sprints in your exercise program. Water-based exercises can help to relieve some of the pain in your lower back. Pilates. Pilates, yoga, or any other stretch-based workout is perfect for getting a good workout without impacting your back. In fact, this type of exercise helps to strengthen the muscles while improving flexibility. Exercise involving meditation may actually help tackle the root of your lower back pain. Believe it or not, your anguish may be partly a result of high stress. It's a good idea to start in the beginner's class, even if you're versed at Pilates. It's less intensive and can ease you comfortably into the workout. Advise your instructor of your ailment. The assumption is usually that participants are fit and healthy. Walking your dog. This is by far one of the easiest ways to get in a workout. And even if you don't have a dog, you can borrow your neighbor's. Is your neighborhood block relatively flat? If so, then it's perfect for your walk. On the other hand, hilly treks may wreak havoc on your lower back. Avoid inclines at all costs. It's important that you maintain a comfortable pace. Do your best to control the movement of the animal. Avoid letting it pull you, as this could trigger spasms in the back. Always wear comfortable shoes with lots of support. They protect your feet from the shock that comes with each step. Swimming. Water-based workouts of any kind are easier on your back. Find a community pool if you don't have your own. Try to swim at least a few times per week. Depending on the intensity of your pain, you may need to adjust how you do your strokes. It may be a good idea to do breaststroke and backstroke. Those strokes are usually kinder to the back without sacrificing effectiveness. Finally, the help you've been looking for has arrived. Now you know it's possible to exercise with lower back pain. There's no reason to allow your overall health to suffer because you have a sore back. Show your back who's boss and get started with your new exercise regimen today. A healthy, fitter body is what your back needs for support. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.